One of the reasons why the Igbos will ever reject Nigeria with all round or all everything is because Nigeria focused today to put all their efforts to make Nigeria remain one, not to make Nigeria work. The Igbos actually want Nigeria to work by all means by investing in all parts of Nigeria. But we have found out that everything you want to do, the effort that Nigerians are applying in that Nigeria is just to make Nigeria remain one, but not to make Nigeria work. Let me explain. Today in Nigeria, we breed more terrorists than every other thing. Every day, the politicians are just focusing on making money and keeping power to themselves, while the rest of Nigerians are turning into terrorism. For example, today in Rivers State, Wike rigged the election of the Rivers State and put in Fubara. Today, Fubara is there, and Fubara is the governor. Now, Wike is having serious problem with Fubara because Fubara refused to pay allegiance to Wike. Fubara refused to be the boy of Wike, which means that if Fubara accepts remaining the boy of Wike, there will not going to be nothing. There will not work fixed, nothing in the River State. So Fubara pleaded with Wike, please, you were here for 8 years. Let me be here and work and forget about collecting money, because I don't know the amount of money these politicians even want. Wike have all the money you can imagine in the whole world, but still, he wants that small change that is dropping. So now we have a guy from the River State who came out, a very, very prominent guy, APC member, who is even one of the Jagaban's boy. He came out and said it openly, that all the elections in APC have been running in River State have been rigged, that they rigged elections for everybody. We all know that Nigeria is a country that everything is not working. Even a simple common election. They rig all the underground elections, they rig everything, national, state, everything is being rigged. Today we know that Hope Uzodinma was not even in the position to rig election because he was not even in the first three. But he did his miracle, and he is now the governor of Imo State. Of course, we cannot doubt that. And unfortunately, he has extended what is magic to Edo State. Edo State was rigged by Hope Uzodinma. And today, the APCs are winning, won the state. What I'm asking now, if you are disagreeing with me that Nigeria is not a terrorist state or Nigeria don't breed terrorists, can we start now to hold people responsible? Why is the guy from River State, the Okocha person, why is he still free? Why is he still free and working? Because he knows that if you touch him, he will burst the belly of all the rest of APC members. Fubara too is threatening Wike that if you want to push him to the wall, he will tell you how you rigged him in. That is one of the reasons that the Igbos will never accept Nigeria. Because everything about Nigeria is false. Everything about Nigeria is one big lie. Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing can work in Nigeria. You cannot imagine in a nation called Nigeria, they will capture terrorists. Terrorists, when we talk about terrorists, we mean people who unalive people for living. They will capture terrorists. Terrorists who went in the Kuje prison and break it. Terrorists who went in military barrack and break it and took all the weapons. Terrorists who went into the Chibok and kidnapped girls, small children, and turned them into their wives and whatever. We captured them. We took them to school, and we put them back into our military, into Nigeria's military. That is so ironic. That is so insane. Today, one of the serious issues that the Northerners are having is that they want to have Ruga. And we rejected Ruga in our land. Now they are bringing IDP camps. We will reject IDP, we reject IDP camps. What is the next step they are going to take? Don't you guys understand that these people, they are forced, everything they are doing is to make sure that Islam goes all around Nigeria? I'm asking, what are the benefits of Islam apart from giving you virgin when you die? What are the benefits? Why do we need religion in our land? Is religion helping us or is unaliving us? Did Europe build Europe what it is today from religion? Why don't we wake up and channel our energy in how to fix things? Instead, we channel our energy in how to destroy things. Most of our politicians today are insane. They have serious problem on their brain. Because it's only somebody who has serious problem in his brain will take money that was given to you to build roads, put electricity, all these things, take the money, embezzle the money, and still come and suffer with us in the bad roads, in no electricity, in no security. Only insane people will do that. So what I'm trying to tell you guys today is this. In Nigeria, monkey will eat money, snake will swallow money, and everything will happen, nothing will be just brought to book, bring to book. And you are still emphasizing that we need to remain in that one Nigeria. Anybody today who is insisting that we must remain in one Nigeria, go and check your brain and understand that something is wrong with the medulla oblongata. Nigeria is a terrorist state. Nigeria is a terrorist country. They breed only terrorists. Nothing can work in Nigeria. If we start now to dismantle this Nigeria, we will see that things can work for better, for me and you, for our children. Thank you.